Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up funnel landing pages with ClickFunnels, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your ClickFunnels account. Once logged in, click on the Build Funnel button located on the dashboard. Choose the type of funnel you want to create. For a landing page, select the Collect Emails option. Next, provide a name for your funnel in the designated field. Click on the Create Funnel button to proceed. You will be directed to the funnel overview page. Here, you'll see an option to add a new step. Click on Add New Step. Enter a name for your landing page step. Choose the type of page you want to create, such as a landing page. After this, click on the Create Funnel Step button. Now, you'll be taken to a template selection screen. Browse through the available templates for your landing page. Select a template you like by clicking on it. Once selected, click on the Create Template button. You will be directed to the page editor. In the editor, you'll see various elements that you can customize. Start by clicking on the text element to edit the headline. Type in your desired headline that captures attention. Next, customize the subheadline to provide more context. Click on any image element if you want to change or upload a new image. You can also drag and drop new elements from the sidebar onto the page. Add any necessary form fields for user information. Customize the call to action button with compelling text. Make sure the button links to your email integration or another step in your funnel. Next, preview your landing page by clicking the Preview button at the top right. Check that all elements align correctly and function as intended. If satisfied, click on the Save button in the upper right corner. Now, you'll need to set up the funnel settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.